Hey, in this video, I want to share with you one secret that can really help you to succeed with your affiliate marketing business online. So let's cue the intro and talk about this because I think it's really important. Hey, what's up? It's Daniel P. Robertson here. And on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. And this is going to be a short video today. It's going to be pretty quick here. And right now, I'm in the process of doing this 120-day YouTube video marketing challenge for uploading daily onto YouTube. And maybe you're wondering why I would do this, why I would upload daily for 120 days. And it's really because of the reason, this one secret that I'm going to be sharing with you today. And it's something that I really wish had been pounded into my head 10 years ago when I got started. I really wish somebody would have taken me aside and said, hey, look, dude, you got to get this right. Otherwise, you'll never succeed. And so here's what happened yesterday as far as why I'm actually talking about this today. You see, in the process of doing this 120-day challenge, there are some days where I don't feel like doing videos, and there are some days where I really struggle to create the video. Yesterday, I had a really hard time with the video that I created for yesterday. You know, I shot the video yesterday, and it was completely terrible. I wasn't happy with it at all. I tried to take it to the computer and edit it to make it better, but that didn't help at all. And so I reshot the video and I re-edited it, and I still wasn't happy with it. I still think that that's probably one of the worst videos I've done yet. But here's what I did is I went ahead and I uploaded the video anyway, because you know, I haven't really given myself the choice of not doing a video every single day. I've committed to doing a video every day. And it doesn't matter if the video is good or bad. I want to create a habit for myself. And that's the secret: habits and also mindset. So if I can successfully create a habit of researching content ideas and recording a video and editing a video and uploading that video every single day to YouTube, and if I can keep doing that over a long period of time, if I can keep doing it consistently, then during the course of that time, I'm going to start to build a habit, and I'm going to start to build some skills. And those things are the things that are going to propel me to success. I have a vision of where I want to go. I know I'm not there yet. I know I haven't arrived yet. The destination is somewhere out there. The destination, it's away from me. I haven't hit it yet. It's like it's out of my reach. It seems sometimes. It's like I don't think I can do it even sometimes. My goal is something that kind of scares me. But I have that goal. I have a goal, and I have faith that I can reach that goal if I keep doing the things that I need to be doing. And right now, the thing that I need to be doing every single day is creating a video every single day and uploading it to YouTube. That'll allow me to grow my audience, increase my influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. And so here's the secret, and here's how you can apply it to your life. Understand that there are a few core things that you can do that'll actually move the needle ahead in your business. Usually it's not researching, it's not learning, it's not studying, it's not looking for the next shiny object, the next big thing, the next marketing tactic, the next hack, the next whatever it is. Usually that's inside of you, and it's inside of your mindset, and it's a simple action that you can do to actually build your business. And that involves growing an audience, and it involves generating leads, and it involves making sales. Those are really the three key things that you need to focus on. If you can focus on just those three things, and if you can do it consistently, and if you can just keep improving, then eventually you're going to get the result. You're going to reach that destination. You're going to reach that goal that you've set yourself, whatever that goal is. I'm going to reach that goal because I'm putting in the consistent effort. And maybe right now it feels like it's not working. Maybe right now it feels like I'm not confident on the camera. Maybe right now it feels like I can't do this. Maybe yesterday I struggled with a video, but I published it anyway because I said I would publish it anyway. I said I would put a video out every day. And so I'm not wavering on that, and I'm going to keep going, and that's what I suggest you to do as well. If you want to be successful online, I recommend that you do at least a 90-day challenge of publishing content either on YouTube or your own blog every single day, or maybe a podcast. One of those three things If you do that, you're going to build a habit, and that habit can set you up for success. And I'm not saying it's going to take 90 days to be successful. I'm saying it's 90 days to build the habit. And then that habit is what will create the success for you. And who knows how long that will take. Maybe it'll take a year. Maybe it'll take 3 years. Maybe it'll take 5 years. But if it takes 5 years to create a passive income business online that pays you even while you sleep, is it worth doing it? I think it is. I'm willing to do it. I'm willing to put in 5 years of work and not see a whole lot of return in the meantime, if that's what it takes. I'm willing to do it. So you've got to understand, and you've got to decide for yourself, how long are you willing to go, and will you actually start if you haven't started yet? And are you going to give up when it gets hard? Those are the things you need to decide for yourself. And if you can make those decisions, then good for you. If not, then you might as well just throw in the towel now. So hopefully you've gotten some value out of this video. I know it's been a bit of a rant, and I said it would be short. It was actually a little bit longer than I wanted it to be. But if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for becoming a super affiliate and building passive income online, then check the link below where you can use the exact same sales funnel that I'm using. So check that out in the link below. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.